warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sekar. I'm from 4A class. In this occasion, I would like to explaining the result of my analysis. The researchers took entitled of the film of Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, and focus on understanding character utterance. The data were taken from the script and the scene, and the form of that the utterance. Also based on that, the researchers tried to understand meaning of implicature utterance occur in the film based on the implicature theory. As we know, implicature is meaning that the speakers want to convey but is not part what is said. What is has another meaning than what is revealed. Also, implication does not happen in real life conversation, but sometimes it can happen in conversation of the villain. Based on result of generalized conversation implicator, the conversation between Spencer and Fritz occurred when the Spencer gave Fritz the essay that had done and the conversational took place on their way to school. The utterance if I had the time or whatever if I use indicate of speaker which is contradictory to the current situation and can be analyzed first principle. That is what is simple describe is stereotype explaining because it has minimal information, which means what the speaker is said is implicator to an interpretation from what the hero know about the words, but in general when someone has opinion, reach and contrast with the fact and the response that happened for this situation. To know what this meaning of reach implicator utterance, we can find out what this meaning from the word that was used by Fritz. The utterance of Fritz is included in the generalist conversation implicator. And the second is Martha on the convey another meaning, which means that saying that it is clear that only Breakfast's painter character in game. To define meaning, Martha arts we must know to the characters that play in the game. And the same knowledge the speakers and listener is needed for the interpretation. The result of review show that I find more particular the conversational implicature and generalized conversational implicature in five character in Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle films uses conversational implicature to convey what they exactly mean to the interlocutor. So the implied means are found in the from, in of inform, complain, refuse, remind, and criticize, assure, and apologize and entreat.